Hello and welcome to another video. This is Crafty Rhea. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you. Today I'm going to be doing the secret giveaway from the envelope journal video, just a few videos back. Go ahead and check it out. This is the little journal I made using envelopes and stationery from BB Craft, and I will show you this cute little journal. It has 2 pockets. It's made from 2 envelopes and 4 sheets of paper, so it has 8 pages when they're folded in half. It has a hook and loop closure and a cute sticker as an embellishment. So if you want to see how to go ahead and make this journal, check out that video. It has a stitched spine, but it was super easy to do. I used papers to make that from BB Craft, these stationery sets. I got a pack of 12 packs, 6 different designs, and each one has 2 envelopes and 4 sheets of paper in it. And these are the different colors of envelopes and papers. And this is the one that I used to make that journal. So today the winner will be getting an assortment of these. I will give 1 envelope of each type and 2 sheets of paper. So you'll get 6 envelopes and 12 sheets of the paper. So let's go ahead and draw the names. I put everybody's name who commented envelope. If you watched the video all the way through, you would have seen that I said to leave a comment with the word envelope in it to enter my secret giveaway. And the rules are you must be 18 years of age or older and have a valid U.S. mailing address. And also to leave a comment with the word envelope and to be a subscriber of my channel. So everybody's name is in here that commented envelope. All these little pieces of paper. I thought this would be fun to do rather than do the picker on the phone. There were 30 comments and not everybody said envelope, so it wasn't really too bad to go ahead and write them down. There weren't too many. So let's go ahead and see who our winner is. I'm so excited. I hope you are too. Is the suspense killing you? Here we go. Let's see who the winner is. I have one in my hand. The winner is Kathy Lesage. Yay! Congratulations, Kathy. I will leave my email below. Please email me your name and mailing address, and I will get your stationery and envelopes out to you in the mail. I will give you until it's late on a Tuesday. I don't know if I'll get this up Tuesday night or Wednesday, depending on how long the upload takes. So let's go ahead and say Friday at 5 p.m. will be my cutoff time for Kathy to contact me with her mailing address. I know Kathy, she's comments on a lot of my videos, so I'm hoping she'll see this and get back with me right away. I will put my email address below. It is tiggeria@gmail.com, tiggeria@gmail.com. So Kathy, you have until 5 o'clock on Friday, whatever day that is, August 20 something or other. 28th? I don't know. I don't have a calendar in front of me. I think it's the 20th, whatever Friday is at the end of August 2020. Okay. So Kathy, congratulations. I'm excited to get this prize out to you. So please do leave me your mailing address. Thanks again, everyone, for watching and everybody who participated. I'm probably going to keep these names in here. I'll put Kathy's name back in there after she contacts me. I may use it again, maybe add more to it as we go. You never know. This is a nice little container, so I will put it aside. And you may see those names come up again in the future. So everyone, thank you again for watching. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching all the way through on my videos and leaving comments below. I love reading your comments. It really does make my day. And if you haven't yet joined my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, I'd love to have you over there. It's a great group of ladies. Thanks again for watching. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.